Hey, what's up, Internet? I'm back with a tech tip today that's going to help you not only in your musical and technical life, but also in your everyday personal life as well. Now, I like to use these pouches that come with Shure microphones for storing the microphones, as well as for storing any small parts or pieces, accessories, etc. Unfortunately, these microphone pouches tend to lose the tag, the pull tab, on their zipper fairly quickly. I'm going to show you real quickly how to replace that tab really easily with things that you have probably laying around your house. You're going to need a split ring from a keychain. If you're like me, you probably have a million giveaway keychains that you've just never gotten around to using or throwing away. You're going to just take that split ring off the keychain, and we're going to use it as our new pull tab for the zipper. And you're also going to need a pair of pliers. First thing you're going to do after you free your keyring from junk drawer oblivion is you're going to locate the zipper. You're going to open the split ring a little bit, enough to put it on there, just like you're putting a key on the keychain. And then it's on. Now, depending on how thick your split ring is and how far this zipper has opened up, you might be good to just stop right there. You might be done with the job. Personally, I have a skinny split ring here, so I'm going to use my pliers. I'm going to open the zipper a little bit, and we're going to use the pliers to crimp this down. So you're going to open the zipper enough that you can get the pliers on the top and bottom of the zipper, and you're just going to squeeze the pliers until that closes up a little bit. Now you want to try to get it as close to the end, the open end, as you can, so that you're putting all the force there and actually closing it. And let's take a closer look, and you can see that that's much more closed than it was earlier. So now I have a pouch that's easy to open, much easier to open using the keyring rather than trying to grab the zipper and pull it along and getting your fingernails caught up in there. So that was pretty simple. Nice everyday trick. You can use this on any kind of zipper. I've used this on pants in a pinch, but you can use it on anything in your musical or everyday life. Hope that helped.